Grilling outside isn't always worth the long wait. In a fry pan, well, it has all those oils and fats that you hate. There has to be a better way.
Hi, Chef Daniel Green here with my Gotham Steel low-fat grill. The new indoor grill that drains away the fat and cooks your food on both sides at once. My grill's got heating elements on the top and the bottom. So never flip food again. Our no-flip technology will grill food twice as fast while the grease trap catches all the bad stuff. Plus, the titanium copper surface is scratch-resistant and the non-stick ceramic cleans up with ease. Watch this. Put bacon-wrapped beef patties on the grill. It's large enough to fit 4. And in under 5 minutes, you have juicy bacon burgers grilled through on both sides. And no more waiting for cheese to melt. It's done in under 20 seconds, because my grill doesn't stick. Now that's a burger fit for a king. Or in less than 2 minutes, panini-style sandwiches come out melted and crispy. Check this out. Use a tube of pizza dough and wrap mozzarella, pepperoni, and then sauce. Then close it in the grill. In just minutes, a light crispy calzone slides right out. No oil needed here. And look at that oozing centre. My favourite are these surf and turf skewers. Done to perfection every time in my grill. Or how about sausages, peppers and onions, grilled the healthy way, because all the fat just drains away. And chicken tenders with barbecue sauce. Look here, cleanup is just a wipe away. So easy. Gotham Steel low-fat grill.